Good morning, everybody. How's it going? Welcome in. This is the stream. This is a stream. We are back working on the Gatcha game, or the collectibles game, or whatever you want to call it. I'm over here trying to adjust sizing. If I did that and then I moved it over, all right, so first we're gonna snap it there. We're gonna move it there. And then that should be good. Yeah, that should allow you to see everything pretty well. We're gonna call this collectibles game for right now, until I come up with a better word. I worked on the documentation for the other version, but now I want to get into some of the, newer stuff that we don't have in the other one. We're gonna create a to-do list as well. So we're gonna use this README as a to-do list. We're gonna close this, get this. All right, so we're gonna do a to-do. All right. About collectibles. Let's streamers give an interactive way to collect they're going to be able to collect, they're going to be able to have more shops or other collect, trade, and discard collectibles in while interacting with chat and the streamer. I don't know if I like that description. To do. All right, so the to-do portion of this is we need to give a get event create custom event this will allow users to or allow selection of machines this will output custom variables output slash set custom variables. This allows selection of machines. This should also check if rolled for the day, if on re-roll display previous roll. What else needs to be said? Guys, I'm about to lose multi-streaming. I just realized they expire soon. Biofuel. That goes there, that goes there. So I need a little bit. Which one's this? Biofuel. Alright, so the biofuel bot is the smallest range. About here, I think. Yeah. But biofuel bot only needs to access the storage. Or Yeah, access the storage for this thing. Make sure that this is what we're doing and you can see it. Um, why can't... Oh. I was like, why can't I select this? I haven't done it. Alright. So this is big. Biofuel has to go over here. The harvest bot needs to be able to access the storage. Like, does the see, this is the part that I wasn't sure of. Does the biofuel need to go near everything else? That should have gone there. We'll fix that. So it needs to cover that range, which puts it a little further over. All right. Water gets pretty close coverage. Wow, I have been sneezing. So part of this island. Something like there would work. Siri, help me. I don't see him. Oh, he's right there. Okay. All right, I think that's everything. We probably plop down a few more farms up here. Yeah, something like that. Trying to optimize how much we're spending. Alright, I think that's all the upgrades we can do for the time being. Yep. Alright. So, our to-do checklist. Create roll event. Yep. I don't know that this needs to be a checkable item, but it should definitely, you know, be up there. Alright. I feel like we should actually code. What I'm currently trying to look for in the documentations is a way to give a drop down. So we have a string. We do have an enum. Similar to roll percentage, but instead of percent sliders, it's a number input field. Interesting. So what I'm trying to figure out, if we go into settings, sorry, I'm clearing my throat. Mm. This is just the type definition. So we have... I think in the register game? Yeah. General settings. I'm curious what... I want to test something. Let's copy this real quick. Test settings. Title's fine. We'll call this enum. Shows enum as a drop-down type. Types. Enum's a drop-down select list. But in terms of the settings, how do we do that? See, this is for the scripts. I wonder if this also applies, though, for the game stuff. If none of the current setting types work for you what you need, you can define a new bespoke type. Take a look at the command options JS in the front end to see how to define a new one. Firebot. Why didn't they just put that inside of the documentation? Ah. Part of me is like, let's just write our own user interface for the whole thing. The main reason being is I'm not too thrilled with like I went into the Firebot and like the settings is not the nicest. I'm actually curious if this even runs. No, it doesn't. It doesn't at all. Because it can't find modules in certain files and whatnot. Alright, so this is that. I need to go back to the documentation. It does actually like, so they're just using Angular, it appears. And I was very curious about if I could ever write my own interface for some of these things. However, I am curious about... Alright, so I know that this is a drop down, so I'm curious how this works. Alright, so this is drop down, and then it's control currencies, which I believe is just the local currencies. So we could... We could do so much. My brain's just moving. Sorry. All right, give me like 15 and I will be right back. That's exactly what I was doing, Helena. No, you gotta join first before you can interact with it, remember? Da da da. Also, don't forget to redeem. I still haven't redeemed. I technically redeemed offline as well, but yeah. Hey, and the bot didn't work. Oh, no, uh, oh, oh, what? You know what would be funny is if I didn't fix them for myself. That's weird. Why did it? I really don't know why it failed this time. It was just like, 1 second. Close Firebot. I'm also, oh, no. If I go viewers, myself. Something's not. That's the last selected. Interesting. Did it sometimes capitalize my name and then sometimes not? It's just 4 there. So I'm assuming you can't redo it. Yeah, I can't redo it. If I reject it, does that allow you to redo it? Hold on. If I go here, go to reward queue, and we reject and reject, does that allow us to redo it? No. That's interesting. So even if you reject, it doesn't allow... Huh. How come when you restarted, it allowed people to do it? Try now. I'm assuming not. What if I go to edit? What are restrictions? Interesting. Alright, so if I do that, now you should be able to redeem it once, and then I'm going to put it back to being once a day. Also, we have an ad break starting soon, I think. Are you in an ad break? It says no ads scheduled, so I think we're good. Alright, so you should be able to redeem it. You might need to refresh. Because I'm able to redeem it. So if like you're on mobile, just close out of the app completely. You know, like the multitask screen, and like swipe up. And then try it again. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Now I can put it back. Yeah. So I'm also going to work on a way to where if they... So I think we're gonna switch to chat-based commands. I think I can make it to where like chat-based commands use channel rewards. And then the chat-based command would use channel rewards points, but then also, you know, allow them to redo it to see what they previously got. They can do that like twice a stream or something. That's the idea anyways. I was currently looking at creating special types to be able to use and whatnot. So, yeah. You got to bear with me because I'm still looking at custom things and how this bot works. New folder, types, new file. Let's copy this real quick. New file, we'll say currency types .js. Currency type select. And then do I have to register this somewhere? All right, sorry. But yeah, all right. What'd you collect? I didn't even see it. Closing the gap. Was that the train one? Is that the mine the gap one? Ah, you got Dipper's hat from that show. No, you did. So the thing I want to work on is getting it to like replay itself essentially. So, how does this work for custom? How's it going? Whoa, 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 whoa. We can't be having that kind of language in this PG stream. I have no clue what it means. Ah, Yeah, no. That language way too crude. Way too. I mean, look, I don't make the rules here, you know. So ID is okay. So they're adding this per thing. So they have an ID and a name. So each object. So are they just doing a string array or? No, it's not her powers. You know. Just I don't know that I have the power here. I think we need to plant stuff. You have power, do you? I mean, I could get rid of your whole collection right now. Oh, I didn't show you how to view that. I can show that to you right now. All right. So this is Firebot, right? You paying attention, Helena? Helena, you paying attention? So you remember that one viewer, right? So you're gonna go into Firebot. You're gonna go down to viewers. Sorry, hold on. Here, let me change this into something that you'll be able to see. Blinding. All right. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. We're going back. I actually prefer the midnight, softer. All right, well, pay attention real quick. So, like, if you need to, you want to go fix that one person's thing. I don't know why mine's all screwy. I might delete mine and just let it recalibrate, but y'all's is perfectly fine, it appears. You're gonna go into that user, right? So you're gonna go down to viewers. Then you're gonna go over to the user. You see this right here. This one that has collection, sorry. Yours will probably say CG turds or turd, something like that. Collection. Yeah, in viewers. Who is that person that got the DS store, the blank one? Go to their username. You can search it. But like, say I was editing yours. Oh, we're gonna be here for 5 hours. While Helena opens up the bot, I'm gonna run an ad so that way it doesn't just run randomly. Are you in ads? We needed to get through an ad break anyways. We only have 40 seconds left. Oh, you're out of ads now? Alright. Amazon UK. Yeah. So click the person who got a blank one. They had the CG art collection, or sorry, for you it'd be like CG turds or whatever. Click edit. And then under this collection one, it's basically a string, comma, delimited. So you should see either like a double comma somewhere or like a comma.ds store or something like that. Yeah, so you remove either the double comma or the .ds store, and then you can give them whatever you want. And then their total count should still be correct. Oh, because they didn't have any, right? So they just got blank. So yeah, just remove any commas. It should look something like that. And then this you can put to zero. Or give them one, like type in one. Man, I could just say Helena has 0 here, but she actually has like 2, Yeah, so we still have access to everything. We can see everybody's thing that they got. What's today's date? Today's the 31st, yeah. Okay. This is interesting. It allows you to see like the last time they were in the stream. See how many people don't come by, how many people come by. It's all good. You put 0, yeah. Yeah. So like it would be collections or whatever, just blank like that. And then like for total number, it would just be a 0. I mean, you and Deathy are the two that come here the most, so. Alright. So if I import I don't know how to import this. I mean, I could put it into a game setting, I guess. And then that would be like currency type list. And then I could import the game setting. That could work. Huh. Hmm. Importing. No, no importing those. I don't want those. Whoops. My brain's trying to wander. I'm trying to stay focused. This one's basically done. It's more just trying to figure out how to pass this through. And I honestly think that I guess I could pass another module through. Like, that doesn't go anywhere. But I believe in Firebot it does. So that means that there would be a game service, which then we could access the settings. So yes, this is going to have to go into a settings of some sort. How? Oh, look, a bot. Rip the bot. All right. So I need to look up. that, maybe? So we could do so it'd be something similar. So we still need this. It would be something like this. And then this. And then alright, we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna say that this is that. So it's gonna be object dot we can do the values. So we're gonna want something like this. And then for each key, keys dot for each. Hold on, values for each key. Why would this not work here, though? I'm sorry. I'm reading. I'm reading. I promise I'm still here. So we're gonna want a list of the values. So for each values, I don't really need to do anything. It's already a type. So couldn't I just do this instead? Nope. Oh, so this is... I'm an idiot. This is looking for the type, which is going to be... game service. I think it's game service. It's load game backend communicator. Are you telling me I could write a whole entire like interface this way instead? Because that's what it kind of looks like. Like I could write my own interface this way, which would allow a lot more control over what it would look like. Get game DB. This is what I need. I want that. Settings, get store settings. But the thing is like I don't think that so the way that they're doing it, I would basically need to copy that almost. Getting settings from game ID. If I do this here, it's not going to find anything. Export, trigger lobby, start, no. Heist commands, heist.js. So inside of here, they have all this stuff. Okay. How does this work in the bot? I go to heist, I hit edit, I can enable it, okay. Once enabled, you can view associated commands for this game, trigger the permissions. Okay. So they have a group outcome. And then you can add a new message. Or I could delete it. Okay, interesting. So group outcome message. Find group outcome message here. Find group editable list. I didn't even know that was a thing. Because if editable list is a thing, then that saves so much time for so many things. All right. So with that being said, in this registers thing, the reset ID is fine. This was a test setting. I called this world setting, but this was actually store setting. Store settings. Your store settings. Name, slogan, type. Currency ID is fine there. Is there no conditional? Man, there's just so many bots. So many bots. So many bots. I keep getting so many bots from like accounts that were created in 2020 too. 2020 as well, sorry. No one said this was going to be easy. I feel like it'd be easier though if I was creating it from scratch and I wasn't worrying about other people's code. The editable list will come in handy for the shop, as we will need, this will be your machines, and this will be an editable list, I think. Which then, you know, I'm not quite sure that your machines really need names because you'll have packs and collections underneath it. I almost need to draw this out. No, that's not what I wanted. I wanted window capture. Perfect. So this is going to be our scratch pad of thoughts for a second here. So you have your machine. Then you have a collection. And then that has, what did I call them? I just think I called it groups. And this has your files. Yeah. And with that, though, your shop has all the machines. So your machine would be like... I think I have one too many layers. No. The machine can have a generalized name, right? Like, this would be like the corporation, but for the sake of using Helena's things, right? It's called Turd. Oh, wait. Let's use a different color. Red. Turd. The collection is going to be more... This should probably be called, like, item collection. And this would be turds. The group would be colors. For right now. And then she could have, you know, other things. And then obviously the files would be the items. Or that's the name, but like this would be like the overall group type is like packs or something, or release or something like that. The collection is the overall type of items. This is the specific release. These are the items. This is just the type. So this would probably end up being like vending or something like that, right? That makes sense. So in a shop you would have machines, and this would be like vending. Like turd, we'll say collection vending. These are the machines that house your collections. You can have... For now, no, you can have multiple collections, because what if they just want to do like a mix pack or something? True, sortable, addressable. What is missing that's causing this to freak out? Settings does not exist? But I know that's a lie. It does exist. Does it only... Is it not exposed? Is that kind of the issue here? Huh. All right, so this is here. That's currency settings. Fine. To sort. No, this should exist. It's right there. Am I? What am I missing here? All right, so this is a ID, name, subtitle. Am I one too deep? So when you register the name, all right, so we're in this right here. So we're in here, and they have a title description. All right, so we're in the settings, and then this is a settings definitions. Type, title, description, tip, default, sort, rank, and validation. So this supposedly doesn't exist. But this does exist. Am I missing? Doesn't freak out there. Is it the validation? these are required. And see, and this is where the strong type stuff starts breaking down. Oh, paint is still up. Whoops. Alright. Where did I put the source code? We put the source code here. It's a little chaotic, sorry. What's funny is I was going to go into am I gonna have to create this myself? Why is everything so difficult? Like, so if this is settings, that can't go there. Like, that's not, it's not a thing. So all that I'm doing here is I'm currently looking for this editable list. Which I'm more curious about. I'm more curious about like how to do certain things. So I'm thinking that this might just have to be like I end up creating my own list, passing it through. Okay. You know what? I think that's what we're gonna have to do. I'm just trying to make sure I have everything. I think the integrations, like I'm learning more and more about this bot. There's a lot to do. And that's the thing, is there's so much to do. Okay. I'm going to start with the effect. This is slightly backwards in terms of thinking. But based off of everything that I've seen right now, we're going to start with the effect. I think it could be easier. This is run request. Then we can do wait, set firebot. Set our own run request variable using to use throughout. So then we can do const request.modules. And we do effect manager. So then we can do effect manager dot register effect. And then we will create the effect up here. We'll grab this one. We will come up here to effects and we'll create a new file and we'll call this collectible reward.js. Or are we doing JS or we're doing TypeScript? I don't know why I keep doing JS. Habit? I don't even work with JS every day. All right. I'm just trying to understand things a little bit. And I'm hoping that this will work. This is collectible. Whoa. We have our data, we have our constants up here. Something like this. Select reward. This gets an item from the specified collection for the specified machine. All right. So we do collect new scene collection. We'll do machine, because the machine. You're late. Welcome in. I'm surprised you're even able to be here. I completely forgot about the farm. I think we're close to being able to, like, maybe get something. Yeah, we can expand at least this way. I don't know if we have enough to expand the other way. We do. All right, perfect. I completely forgot about that. Also, welcome in, Tempest. How's it going? Let's upgrade some of these bots. Soon I will need to buy the guy with the stats because I'll need to make sure I'm bringing in more. Yeah. Oh, we could almost put his place here. Yeah, let's do there. All right, so we got that side being cleared, that side being cleared. I think that's good enough for right now. All right. So all this is going to be is a drop-down menu of the this. This hasn't been worked on in a while. Forks. Okay, nobody's maintaining it. All right, anyways, this should still work. We come here, we go to Firebot. So we're doing change scene, but then they're using effect custom effect scene collection name. Is that what this was before? Is that an event or an effect? No, it's an effect. Okay, okay. I see. I see what this is doing now. It makes sense. Single button menu item. Took me a second to realize what it was doing. Select scene collection. So scene collection string, effect custom, false scene collection name, equals scene collection. Oh, okay. So from here. So am I missing the for each? Oh, NG repeat scene collection in scene collections. Get scene collections. So with this, when backend communicator fire event, get scene collect OBS get scene collect fire event, then scene collections. So we would probably call this like does this have what would come from it? Collectible reward name. Pull collectible reward from machine. This is machine name. That's all it's doing is we then need to figure that out. Then there's also probably going to be the chance of there being two. You'll be able to get packs, but for now we'll stick with this. This is machine name. Took me a second to realize what the heck was going on. Oh, look, we have little fields on the side now. Yeah, hiccups. All right. So, with that being said, this is machine name. This is going to be select machine pool. I think. I think that's what we're gonna call it. I don't know that we'll need this just yet. We'll probably take that another time. This is custom scene collection modal So a lot of this is probably going to be configured, like all the machine stuff and whatnot is going to be configured inside of the settings. So we're gonna ignore this for now. I need to also figure that out, but That's that. This is commented out. Set custom, effects custom, true. No scene collection, no machines found. I guess technically they could have different shops, but for now, we will say that they can only have one shop. So this is going to be select machine. This is going to be select or get machines. Collection. That's that. I guess I could also turn this into like a HTML file or something to make it a little bit easier to read. Import those into the options template. We're not 100% sure, you know. Please select a machine. This is set. Was there this in there? All right, so effects. Is OBS remote? Oh, it's this. Okay, so this is just the different calls. One thing we do need to note in here. Get all sources. It's called here. Okay. That's a little bit more than we need. On trigger event. It's not really a trigger event, is it? Oh, it is. On trigger event. Oh wait, we need to get the list of items from um how would this work? Because we need to get it from the Firebot. Can I access? Like when I'm in here, this is, I need the modules. That's what I need. Game manager. How is this? Oh, okay. Yeah. Get game settings. Dot. Collection settings. Machine settings. This is actually a list. So we do that. What are we setting? We're setting that triggers it to go right away. What we're trying to do is trigger, so on this trigger event is going to be the rewards code. Okay. I can do that. 1 second. 1 second. All right. So there's going to be some reworking here. But we should be able to do something like so. Return this. Something like so. Okay. Now that we have that figured out, that's the easy part. All right. What I want to do is give that to a variable or a parameter or whatever. So first things first. This might need to all go outside of here. I'm not quite sure how this will be organized yet. I'm sure there's a better way, but anyways. We're gonna take this, we're gonna come up here, and we're gonna throw this here. I don't know that this can work.
The real question is can I access... I don't think this will work the way I'm thinking.
A machine will have... Going back to paint. Alright, so... A machine, we'll just say M. Has MB. These... This MB, this ball type, needs to be assigned a collection which will have groups. So that leads the question, collection. The packs have the items. So is this MB actually like a pack? Because, like, say that this is a vending, you wouldn't have balls, you'd have packs in there. So the packs are assigned a collection. The machine should be assigned a valid collection list. So the machine should have a collection. This would be an array of collection. So then we need all the groups that have that parent ID. So this has that. The machine balls. The collection controls the groups, which then controls the balls. The items should know. Alright, so you can get all the
valid items via collection IDs and group IDs. Alright, so a collection should know... Should a collection know it has a default machine in the collection? No. A machine should have a default collection. Right? Yeah. So... I don't agree with that. I believe that's correct. We want a effect type, yeah. All right. So all that did was made this show up. Now
we kind of need to work on the logic to actually pull items. So what we're gonna send is a just kind of a list, I guess. We're gonna do that outside of here. We're gonna come into here and we're gonna do collect. He would have to go into Twitch. Collectible pool. .ts. Inside of here, we're doing export async function yada yada. I don't know if it can be async. It might need to be await. Or yeah, anyways. This is going to be pull item from machine. This is going to be machine ID. This is going to be... Actually, this is going to be a machine. Import machine from machines. This is going to be a type of machine. So this is going to be function pull item from collection.
Go to he's I don't think he's here anymore. Oh, also I have paint just covering the whole screen. I mean, it's a good representation of what we're trying to accomplish, but we need to create the pools for the things. So pull items from machines, which is basically get... We just did this. So machine has a collection. Really, this should be like string because it's going to be the collection's ID. And then We need a function get collections. So if we're passing the machine, we need to say valid collections. This is machine.collections. Then we can say number of collections. So number of collections equal valid collections. Well, we want function we want number of because we kind of have to do it at random. So if valid collections.length greater than 1, come into here, get random int what's in utils again? Hold on. Subject, add, subtract random percentage. I don't really want the percentage. Get items. Filter array. Get random int. Can go into this utils because that's all that this is. We're gonna give it a max. We're gonna say a min and a max, which is number, and then we need to take the logic right here. Um, think that's right. All right. From range, we say that this is... Then we need a random number. So then we kind of have to do the same thing. Random int. And this time we only have... a max number. So then we say math dot random. Can I put times... No. Alright. We'll do that. I think crypto did a crypto get random int. We'll take care of that. Valid collections dot length there, and then a valid collections dot length here. I don't know if that's the right way, but this is going to be the... This will be a but it's not a constant. Collection selected collection equals well, that's kind of repeating code. No. This is index collection. Selected collection index is this. So selected collection index equals that. Equal number. And then we do var we'll just say constant selected collection collection equals get collection by ID. This is valid collections, selected collection index. Oh, is it here? This is going to be machine ID or collection ID string. Why am I having like the hardest time? A function who is declared type return. Oh, it's just mad because I haven't done anything. All right. Then we get collection by ID. Where are we storing this stuff? Right? Like we hadn't thought about that. The collections are being stored inside of settings. So inside of machines, we're gonna have a list of machines. So here in settings,
this is just the type. So you're gonna have a list of machines, right? And really, this is more of a string. We'll call this valid machines here. We'll call this machines collection, which is fine. You're gonna have a collection, which is an array of collections, which will be like their folder path, and which actually might need to be in here. Maybe I need to like split it out also. Maybe it needs to be like collection settings, and then so that'll give you a list of collections, your rarity type, and odds. Rarity settings is a list of rarities that are rare item rarity. Are these not the same? Group rarity type, item rarity type. So that means that we're gonna have two. We're gonna have item rarity type settings. Way of item rarity type. We need to update this, so this needs to be like a to-do. Update with proper type. We are so sidetracked right now. Update rare item rare. I don't know if that's right. Group rarities. So we're gonna work on this. That's going to be that. This is also going to be item rarity, or this is going to be group rarity settings, which is going to be an array of group rarity type. In your collection settings, you have collections, your item rarity. In your group settings, you will have a group groups. The items.
I think what we're gonna do is inside of each collection, upon initialization, create create a init item index file per collect. Create an index file for collections, which will also house the groups. We'll figure that completely out. This is also no. Get collection by ID. We need to. We could honestly skip this. Oh no, because if collection has packs or has groups, selected collection dot has groups. If, and then we do that. And wait. But you could want, like, so inside of here. So collection has groups. Something like that. If machine
Oh, I am way over time. All right, I gotta go. Bye.